Hey guys, how are you? It's me, Sharita Jones, checking back in. Hope you guys are having a super fantastic day today. I wanted to come and share with you that this is what I got in my mail today. UPS dropped it off. Thank you so much, Scentsy. Are you guys registered for Scentsy World Tour, guys? You can register for Scentsy World Tour in your events tab and be a part of the amazing training that you will receive, guys. Next week. We have 1 week left counting down, guys. You still have time to register. So go into your events tab, click on the events tab and register for Scentsy World Tour. Guys, I never miss training. You have to feed your mind, guys. You have to feed your soul. And I love being a part of Scentsy Church is what I call it, Scentsy Church. So I love training with Scentsy. So I just want to share with you what's in here, guys. On the back it says Scentsy Reset World Tour at Home. This is like a little cutout, as you can see. I believe you can cut that out or something like that, as you can see out. There's a cutout. There's also a cutout on the front here that says Scentsy, so you can cut that out too. Oh God, this is going to be so fun. I love the way Scentsy packages these items. Whenever we have training or we have to get a kit for training, it's always packaged so nicely. Okay, so the next thing is, you see here it says Scentsy on the inside, and you see a world. How cool is that? It's a world. And then on this side, I'm going to open it up. And here inside you see the world. The world is in there. I don't know if you guys see, the world is in there. And then I'm going to show you what's inside. So it's upside down. When you get it, it comes like this, guys. So when you get it, it comes like this. And so as you can see, it's upside down. So if I turn it upside down, it's going to be backwards to you guys, but you're going to see that it says 2021. Oh, I dropped something. And then in here, you see it says World Tour at Home. And I think that, it's a World Tour at Home. So these are all cutouts, and you can cut these out. So what comes on the inside of it, and then you see here, it's all cutouts. I'm just giving you a little snippet of this, guys, because I wanted to share it with the team. Okay, so as you can see, you have a little window here, and this is your little notebook, and on the back it says Scentsy Reset at World Tour, so you can actually see that, guys. So it's so cool. And so in the inside of the, I'm just going to show you a little. This is where you get your little lanyard. So you get a little lanyard that comes in here. Here's a little lanyard, and then you cut that out on the inside, and you put your name and all your information. So this is a cutout, and it has a little thing. You stick your little lanyard in that, and as you can see, there's Orville and Heidi. Hey, Orville and Heidi. And here it has little cutouts. So I'm sure we're going to be able to use all of this for training. This video is going to be short and sweet, but I just wanted you guys to see some of the things that come in this notebook. I love all the notebooks because I like to write down all the things. And that looks like a little kitchen or countertop or some sort. And I believe those cutouts we are going to use as we go through our trainings, with all of our trainings, when we do our trainings next week. So I'm so excited. So I just want to share that with you guys. There's nothing in there. I'm just going to keep going through it really quick. Oh, and this look like these are some cutouts, or these are either cutouts or either stickers. So I'm not sure exactly what they are. It's a bedroom, though. That's a bedroom. And this is another bedroom. And this is a home office. So it's so cool. So it's stickers in here, and see here some stickers. So it's a lot of cool stuff in here. And then there's a notebook and everything in the back for you to take notes and things of that nature. So I'm not going to go through the whole entire book, but I just wanted you to see, and that's Orville and Heidi, right? So guys, this is so cool. I'm so excited about World Tour at Home, guys. Even though I can't see all of your beautiful faces in person, I do miss you guys immensely, deeply, because you guys are definitely someone I want to love on and hug on. But you guys know why we can't do it in person. So I just want to share with you that I am registered for Scentsy World Tour, and I'm super excited about Scentsy World Tour. So those who have not registered, you still have time, guys, to go register for Scentsy World Tour and be a part of the amazing training that you will receive from all the people that are coming to share their hearts and their love and their souls and all of the good things that they're going to share with Scentsy World Training. So Scentsy World Tour or Scentsy World Training or whatever you want to call it, I'm excited. I am, and I cannot wait to see all of the things that World Tour is going to bring. So go register, guys. Go to your Workstation, click on the events tab, and be a part of Scentsy World Tour, guys. Love you all. See you in World Tour, guys. Have a great night, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Scentsy Spirit. Love you guys. See you in the next Scentsy video.